Friends, welcome to Prabhu KB's YouTube channel. I am the CEO and managing partner of Fibocan LLP. We are wealth enablers. This is our logo. This is what we are. We enable wealth. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their investment strategies through our technology products, solutions, and innovative investment strategies. Today, January 6, 2022. In this, today we will be discussing about the market performance for this day, which was also option expiry day. Bank Nifty closed 37,490, which fell by around 0.5%, while Nifty fell around 1%, 17,745. However, for this week, Bank Nifty rose 6.7%. When I say week starting Friday and ending today, Thursday. And Nifty Nifty jumped up by 2.9% or 3%. Yesterday, if viewers recollect, we had given a range for Nifty. Exactly, the market touched that range and it closed more or less at the same levels. Anyway, we will see at the end of it. On the banking side today, for the today bank Nifty, HDFC Bank and Kotak fell 1 to 2%, while AU, Axis Bank, IDBI, SBI, ICICI all remained flat. While IndusInd Bank jumped by around more than between 1 to 1.2%. It jumped up. There is no change in the banking, excepting that yesterday, if one recollects, we had told that today the star is going to be IndusInd Bank, and precisely today the star was IndusInd Bank. It closed at 921 today. On the NBFC front, Shriram Finance and HDFC fell by 2%, while LIC, M&M Finance, Manappuram, Chola, Muthoot, everything remained flat. Insurance and cards, HDFC Life and SBI Life fell by 2%, while ICICI General, Pru Life and SBI cards remained flat. ICICI General, ICICI Pru and cards are having a short-term up move. Oil and telecom, Reliance fell by 2% today, while Bharati jumped up by more than 1%. Both the long-term trend is intact. On the IT, Techem fell by 2%. Infi, LTA, LTTS, HCL Tech, Mindtree, Emphasis, TCS, Wipro all remained flat, while Coforge all fell 1 to 2%, while Coforge remained flat. Birlasoft jumped up between 1 and 2%, more than 1%. IT overall is turning negative, at least in the short term, meaning in the daily chart it is turning negative. Hence, investors have to exercise caution. Fresh commitment should be made only after a strong reversal that is coming on the upward direction. Till that time, I think investors will be better off if they hold any or if they stop, if they do not do any further commitment at these levels. It will fall further, after which one can consider. However, long-term investors need not worry. Long-term is bullish. On the consumer goods front, between 1 and 2% fall, we saw Berger, Colpal, which fell by 0.6%, HLL, ITC and Nestle, while Asian Paints, Britannia, DMart and Pidilite remained flat. PVR jumped up by between 1 and 2% jump. We saw PVR, Titan and Trent. Bata and Page moved more than 2%. Bata, Page is very strong. In fact, last year also it moved up and again it is continuing its upward move. Berger, we are told that once it crosses 200-day moving average, it will take out 150 moving average and further up move is there. Berger is on a strong up move, while all these 1 day, 2 day fall and all those things are short term. One need not worry about it. PVR is also now moving up. Hence, people thinking that there is lockdown coming and hence PVR will go down might not happen. On the automobile front, Escorts, Hero Motors, Tata Motors and Ashok Leyland remained flat, while 1 to 2% jump we saw in Hero Motors, Bajaj Auto, Eicher and TVS, while greater than 2% jump we saw in Bharat Forge and Motherson Sumi. Bajaj and Hero, we are told that it is a contra buy. We have been selling since December, and in fact Bajaj has moved up swiftly in the last few days, and further up move is there in both the stocks, particularly in Bajaj. On the metals, Metals, JSW fell by 2%, Tata Steel fell by more than 1%, while Kolpal, Jindal, NMDC and SAIL remained flat. National Aluminium, Vedanta jumped up more than 1%. One has to be cautious with metal, though Tata Steel and Jindal Steel show some promise, but still caution has to be exercised here. That is better. On the pharma, Cipla, Sun Pharma and Thyro remained flat. Dr. Reddy's and Divi's fell by 1%. Metropolis today fell by 2.3%. Others, IEX, India Mart, Adani Enterprise, Indigo, IRCTC and MCX remained flat, while Polycab fell by 0.9%. Jubilant Food fell by more than 1%. Zomato, Ultratech and Adani Ports fell by 2%, while UPL jumped up by 2%. Overall, what do we say? Yesterday we had given a range of, for Bank Nifty we are told that it will be closing in the range of 37,300 to 37,900. Though Bank Nifty was strongly closing at 37,695, we were bang on. Today Bank Nifty closed at 37,490. And Nifty, we had given a range of 17,775 to 18,020. Though Nifty yesterday closed at 17,925. Today, the closing of Nifty is 17,745. We were just 30 points off the mark. So, one can see the kind of accuracy with which we are able to analyze and provide trends and indicators, which is why Fibacan, training from Fibacan is going to help investors trade better, trade emotionless. Anyway, with this we will end this video. Thank you very much for subscribing. Disclaimer, as always, the objective of this video is only for training and educational purpose. Please discuss with your investment advisor before making any investment decision. Thank you very much.